I'm very well. Yeah,
Please come. So what do you want to explain? Please come.
No, I don't want to
Come.
That tell him the icon.
So Sharia. So we decided Sharia is all of it. From there, where do we go?
Well, like I said, I believe that Muslims can definitely be a great Muslim living in the UK.
Where?
Especially, if you're born here.
Where?
No,
Show
but
me
that-
from the Quran.
That is our belief. That is our paradigm.
No.
You can't tell us
Show me something from the Quran.
The Quran says Christians, Jews, and Muslims come together to do good.
Where?
Show the ayah and
Where?
Well, that ayah
Yeah,
that says come together to do good. Okay, I don't know it off the top of my head.
I'm looking for this idea that
Bro, I don't know what exactly it is.
use your phone. It's okay.
Oh, but so you're saying that doesn't exist?
look, as a practicing Muslim, you're not supposed to comply with Christian law. It's simple. It's as simple and as crystal clear as
So
that.
does Islam act the same of the Jews?
Same, yeah.
live.
And that is why Jewish tribes were chased away
So
from.
they can't follow their own scriptures. Jews aren't allowed under Muslim land. A Jew isn't allowed to follow their own scriptures and their laws that God has given them.
A Jew cannot have, ultimately, for their jurisprudence, their law, over and above Sharia, they can't.
They can.
They can't. Show me where.
Come on, like that's a
Please,
known
please
thing.
try. Google
No,
search.
No, seriously, that's a known thing. You
It's
know
not
that.
a known thing.
The only thing that they
Where is the Quran?
For
Sorry.
other people, but
Look, no, it's a known thing. Please show.
the only thing you know that they have to do is pay the jizya.
Right. Okay. So what does paying jizya mean?
Paying jizya pays 2.5%, the same 2.5% Muslims pay every year also.
So what does it mean?
It means pay 2.5% and that money will be going to the poor.
Okay, right, let's read what it means, okay? Surah 9, Ayah 29. What does this mean? Jizya, what does it mean?
It's a tax that is going to go to the poor.
Let's read. Don't be.
But that's what it is, right?
Excuse me, my friend. You don't know the Quran. When I ask for one verse from the Quran, you're struggling already.
I'm struggling.
It's time to learn.
It's time to learn.
Not time to rant on. Please
How much
listen.
is the jizya?
Please listen.
How much is the jizya?
Please listen.
2.5.
Please listen.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. He don't want to do it.
How much
Please
is it?
listen.
How much
One
is it?
second. Please listen. Surah 9, Ayah 29. Please listen. Fight against. Please listen.
I'm listening, bro.
Fight
but
against-
You got to listen too later.
Yeah, sure. Fight. Listen. Fight against those who do not play. My dear friend, even if you listen,
I'm listening, dude. You got all these cameras. You have your crowd. I'm looking straight.
sure.
He wants your attention.
Fight against those who do not believe in Allah or in the last day and do not consider unlawful what Allah and His Messenger have made unlawful and who do not adopt the religion of truth from those who were given the scripture. Look, if they don't comply with Islam, fight. Why should you fight? Fight until they give the jizya willingly while they are humbled. So what is jizya? Jizya is some money. I don't care if it is 2.5% or 20% or 0.2%. The money, the amount doesn't matter. What matters is that it is a payment made because of humiliation. You are humbled
much is
because the. Let me finish.
No,
You are.
man,
wow.
You're doing a monologue now.
Excuse
I'm
me,
not
sir.
here to stand and do
Okay.
a monologue.
You are humbled. Would you like to be humbled in our nation just because you're not a Christian? Would you like to be humbled and forced to pay 1% tax?
Like Gazans? Or you mean like the Gazans?
Are you confused? Are you from Gaza?
I'm saying, is that what you're saying? Is
Excuse
the
me, are you
humbling?
confused?
Is that the humbling?
Listen to me. Listen to me. Maybe
Is
you're
that-
confused.
Is that the humbling?
Listen to me. The words are clear.
What is the
Maybe
humbling?
don't
What does
turn
humbling
this way.
mean?
Listen.
Very-
Listen.
Give me a good explanation.
Would you in our Christian land, would you like to be humbled?
What does that mean?
Listen, let me
You're the
finish.
expert. Please teach
Let
me.
me finish.
Teach me.
Let me finish.
Let me help him, sir. Forced to
One
submit.
second.
But you-
One
but
second.
you-
One
Is
second.
that what's happening
In the UK, stay focused. The question is clear. It is about the UK. It is about you. Because even when the context is limited, you ramble on. So stay focused
ramble.
in the limited context.
You're rambling.
Would you be willing would you be willing, in the UK, would you personally be willing to pay a marvelously discounted 0.5% tax, but at the cost of being, or the cost of your own pride or ego, where we humble you and subjugate you and make you pay a heavily discounted 0.5%. We will fight you until you do that. Will you be happy?
That sounds like what it means to be British. You live here, you get taxed 40-something percent, 50%.
You see?
That's already what you have.
I told you, rambling on.
No, I'm from America, so isn't that how America came about? We didn't like the taxes.
Okay.
So to be British in itself is to be humbled,
Okay, sure.
kept down,
maybe you're
and pay
confused.
high
Listen,
taxes.
listen.
Come on, man.
Okay, are you listen. Are you in Britain or in the US, do you pay any tax specific, whether it's 5%, 0.5%, 25%, because you are a Muslim? Do you pay anything like that?
No, I don't pay that.
Lovely. So we treat you equally.
No.
So how do you treat? How are you, by your religion, not treated equal to a Christian?
Like you don't treat me equally, do you?
Like how?
No, but you don't treat me. Do you feel like you treat me equally?
You're rambling
Do you
on right now.
Do you see me the same as a fellow Christian?
Yes, of course, and that's
Equally.
why I'm speaking.
Seriously?
I'm speaking to you.
Really?
That's my fellow Christian. I'm not even speaking to you. I'm speaking to.
Really?
This is how much we love you.
Wow.
I am a Christian.
Yeah, sure.
I am a Christian. I'm supposed to love you and tell you that you are confused, that you are following a death cult, and it's a murderous death cult. The sooner you leave that, the better.
I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, I really. So that's in my friendliness.
All right.
But having said that, the point is clear. So you agree that because you are a Muslim, you don't pay even a heavily discounted special tax in humiliation. You don't. But what does the Quran say?
Yeah, it says you need to pay that. I believe that you need
In humility, in humiliation, while they are humbled,
What is it for? Did you know that?
as an identification that you are humbled.
No, but what is the 2.5% for? What are they supposed to do
As
with
an
that money?
identification that they are humbled.
No, what do they do with the 2.5%?
I don't care.
How much is zakah for the
Look,
Muslim?
my dear friend,
Why
doesn't
don't you answer the
matter.
question? Be fair. What is the 2.5%?
What is the price that you would give for your personal freedom, not humiliation, in the UK?
Do they have to live there? Do the Jews have to live there?
Listen to me. Stay focused on one question,
Come on.
because even with one question you're
You can't-
thoroughly
no,
confused.
Come on, you're known,
Stay
you're known
focused
for this,
on one
man,
question.
YouTube. You're known for this. Come on.
What percent?
You can't answer direct
Listen to me.
questions. Come on, you
What
know that.
price would you pay for being humiliated? What discount would you need when you are going to be humiliated? Would you be happy with 0.5%?
What is humiliation? I don't understand what you mean. Are the Jews?
You don't
forced to be-
understand
are
the
they
word
forced to be
humiliation?
slaves? Are they forced to be slaves?
By all means,
Are they
no,
forced
you're
to be
rambling
slaves?
on.
Okay.
As a
Say
Muslim,
that.
I understand.
It's a pleasure talking to you.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure speaking to you as a person, and to you also as a person. Lovely. But
Come on.
your religion leads to mental ailment, and it's best to leave it as soon as possible.